Hello and welcome to NatureWithAlik channel. I'm so happy to see you guys. It's been already beautiful year since we plant all these beautiful dragon fruits and new plants to our garden, and I'd like to give you an update what happened, and it's been very fast. Time is flying. I've been traveling for a couple past months, you know. I went to Israel, I went to Germany, Europe, trying different dragon fruits, trying to see what people growing in the world. But today is update, 1 year update from our beautiful garden. So right now I'm just going to show you nice beautiful Laverne red dragon fruit, which was small cutting like probably a year ago, and look how beautiful it is. Thanks for the Shane family and friends who help us to build all the trellis, and we're gonna go fast and give you update. So here's the Laverne red dragon fruit. Here's a physical graffiti. As you can see, the branches growing like crazy, and just because of this beautiful support structure trellis that we're able to build. But definitely you're going to be able to see it in the videos that we're going to be attaching how to build the trellis. One of the next videos coming with more details about this. So this is American Beauty, and this is Halley's Comet right now. So the next step would be a beautiful pomegranate archery that we have right now, and we were happy with Shane the Christmas time and Hanukkah time and New Year time. We were distributing for free our beautiful pomegranates throughout the United States for people who actually won, and a lot of people around the world were receiving the pomegranate chocolate flavor. So that's it. I just want to show you the beautiful, wonderful pomegranates, which is probably going to be cuttings of dragon fruits and pomegranate available for people to share, to buy, and so forth. So this is nice arch that I just purchased from the local nursery store, and it's holding the branches, and my goal is to have a nice beautiful arch like this from the pomegranates, where you can see the flowers and the fruit just hanging straight from the beautiful mesh of this archery. So we'll just going forward, and the next step is going to be the new settings of the trellis that we just build it in. We just go around and around and around. Still more. I have 4 trees of wonderful pomegranate, and the next step I'm going to show you the couple lanes that I just did a couple months ago. It's a beautiful setting, commercial way of setting, but I'm going to be introducing this one in the next video as well. And at the end of this video, you're going to be able to see my old Laverne red dragon fruit, which is probably 15-year-old, which actually started all the beauty of my channel and the fruits. Last year I had almost 100 beautiful fruits, including the 3-pounder, 1.5 kilo almost record in our house and probably in the local community as well. So this is a physical graffiti, another line of Vietnam white and another Laverne red. So those are actually available as well to purchase. There is another split to 3 lanes over here, and it's a nice set of Lake Atitlan, thanks to neighbors and thanks to friends, Voodoo Child. And besides that, I have probably 960. I need to get to the 1,000 at least members of my YouTube channel, and I do have around maybe 130 of our local Nextdoor dragon fruit, Ventura County dragon fruit group. As you can see, this is the nursery where I grow all these cuttings and branches, and those available to purchase from starting from 24 to 36 inches cuttings up to probably 6 to 7 feet tall plants. And they really enjoying here under umbrella, getting lots of vitamins, hanging together with the beautiful jasmine star bushes on a fence wall over here, and looking pretty good and green. So let's move on. I'm going to show you one more beautiful settings, okay, and we'll just go around. Shane's going to show beautiful life of the tent that we're enjoying during the summertime, and we're going to go carefully, going down to where you can see another way of trellis that I use my heel right now. So here we go, and we're just gonna go down the stairs. Okay, here we go. So this area I used as well, and it's working pretty well. As you can see, I set it up. I purchased those beautiful metal sticks and run cable line. I used to have an extra cable line that's left after the installation of cable, and I run it, and it's perfectly very safe for the plants. It doesn't cut as a wire, and this is nice set of multiple varieties which I have over here as well as downstairs, and it's already lots of buds. As you can see, the flowers already start popping. This is actually Alisa red, 1, 2, 3 flower buds, another flower bud over here. So it seems like right now it's start season where I'm going to be having to every other day to check on the flowers and make sure when they open I would have ability to have a beautiful a set of pollen, because the pollen is most important. And we're going to be hanging right now to heading to the set of laverne red dragon fruit, and I'm going to show you a little bit more in details. Shane just going to follow me. Okay, very good. We have a couple tomatoes over here. We have nice black type tomatoes over here, and there is another set of these tomatoes. Look how pretty they are, orange, black and red colors. So it's good snack tomatoes, as well as the heirloom black cream tomatoes. They're reaching a little bit, those little bit left small ones still growing, but we already picked up the big tomatoes. And welcome to our queen of our house, the beautiful laverne red dragon fruit. And this one is almost 15 years old. So during my travel, my wife told me, you know, there is already 15 flowers were popping in one night, as you can see over here. So I didn't have opportunity to come back and do pollination and get the fresh pollen. So I saved frozen pollen in my refrigerator. We tried to pollinate with the frozen pollen. Seems like it's all okay. As you can see, I'll tell you the difference how to test. So for example, this one, if you shake a little bit 3-4 days later, it's holding very good on the branch. Compared to this one, as you can see, it's moving. This is going to be gone. It's going to be gone like probably 20% to 30% of all this one, which is didn't make it. This one is probably gone. I see it's free, but those that are sitting in 3 days later, if you move them around, they're pretty strong. So it's probably going to be a fruit. Like this one, for sure, it's going to be fruit. I see it's already. So that's a good sign, which I tested like a year later with the frozen pollen from the mix of American Beauty, Physical Graffiti, Haley's Comet, and Delight. You know, this powerful mix definitely give me a chance to, if I don't have a fresh pollen, it gives me a chance. But last year we had like ability to collect up to 3 pounders. This is the sign actually with our record. I kept it over here, and this branch gives me another flower. As you can see, last year we collect 3 pounder records, and you're going to be able to see it in the collection of my videos. That's it. So I'm happy to share you, and this is the next video. It's going to be a little bit more in details how to build, how to use your space in order to maximize ability to harvest lots of fruit. Dragon fruit is amazing fruit. You're going to be able to harvest from, I would say, from July right now, which is local farmers already collecting, until late January. So majority time of the year you're going to be enjoying flowers, you're going to be enjoying fruit, and you're going to be beautiful life. As you can see, this flower probably going to be open very soon, so I may have to run and another one to get the fresh pollen, which is you can still keep in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, and that's give me 100% success. I can see already 1 more flower, so 3 flowers will probably open tonight and tomorrow. And that's just a fast update of 1 year garden. I just want to show a beautiful the Plumeria plants, which is going to be right now. I just replant them from the small containers. As you can see over here, they start growing very, very fast. So as you can see over here, nice. And 4 settings. I purchased those containers in Costco, and I'm so happy. The smell of this one, the surrounding area, it's really sweet and pretty, and I'm very, very happy with the growing of the fruits and plants in my house, and that's what I'm sharing with you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. It's very important for us to be able to share with you the beauty of the growing, the beauty of the gardening, and as well as it helps us a lot with positive feedbacks. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Please follow up with us, and next video would be 3 ways how to grow dragon fruit. Thank you.